Yawning is something we all do, but it's more than just a sign that you're sleepy. When you yawn, your body takes in a deep breath of cooler air. This helps cool your brain, which can get warm when you're tired, bored, or not very active. A cooler brain works better, so yawning is like hitting the refresh button. What's even more interesting is that yawning is contagious. If you see someone else yawn, there's a good chance you'll yawn too. This happens because of a connection in our brains related to empathy, which means we copy other people's actions without thinking. Even some animals, like dogs and chimpanzees, yawn when they see others do it. So, next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's your brain keeping itself sharp and cool. And if someone yawns nearby, don't be surprised when you yawn right after. It's just your brain being social.